How's it going? The wet shaving store, Andy Amaya, a good friend of mine. Full disclosure, right now, what I'm holding in my hands, I did not pay for. What I expect to find inside is 2 of the pearl razor stands and a newer version of these Gillette guards. I have a couple of these old Gillette guards, including their multi-packs, and my understanding, they're still the same. They've redone the packaging. So one of the things we're going to be doing in this video is a giveaway for a Gillette guard and for a pearl razor stand. We'll talk about that more in a minute. So I got it in this blue bag. And those are both going to be courtesy of Andy at the wet shaving store. I reached out to Andy the other day to see if he wanted to do a gift card for my membership here on YouTube. I often reach out to artisans and vendors, asking them to participate. And when I did, he brought up these items and asked if I would like to review them. I was like, yeah, of course. They look cool. So I chose my colors. I believe I chose the wood and the black. So you can see here, got this, and you're like, so right now he's doing a flash sale that ends this Thursday. Today is July 31st. If you don't want to take advantage of that flash sale, because what it looks like to me is that flash sale of 35% off only applies to a couple different items, shave soaps like Our Thing, the Sportsman series, and I'm not sure what all else. If you have any questions though, feel free to ask me, or better yet, send Andy a message. Instagram is a good way to reach out to him. Also a contact page on his website. Holy Toledo, Andy. So, not going to profit from the sale of any items in this video, but I always like to give you guys my dog in the fight if I have one. And my dog in this fight is Andy Amaya. Has been a real life friend of mine, a guy that I talk to, a guy that I share what's going on with the family and that kind of stuff for 5 or 6 years now. I've known Andy and have been a very good friend of his, or he's been a very good friend of mine. I hope that I've been a good friend of his. But he's damn good people. And so that's my dog in the fight, is that I want to see his business succeed. Other than that, I have that 10% discount code, and I already checked. I put all the stuff in my cart to see if it applies. Everything in the video, these 2 pearl stands. So here's one in its own box. That 10% discount code applies to, with just my name, Tobin. And then also applies to the Gillette guard. And it applies to the Dark Knight, which we'll talk about more here in a second. I have the old label of it. The free shipping threshold is now $85. So here's the new one. Thank you. This is looks like a total of 8 cartridges plus the handle. I'll be doing a shave video with these, and we will talk about whether in that video whether or not they've changed, that kind of thing. My friend Matthew Lawrence has recently reviewed one. I've had it for years. I bought mine years ago from the Shave Supply, another place I love doing business with. But Matthew did a great review of the Gillette guard, and even shared some of the history with it. So here's the white one. I'll probably put these together off camera, unless you really want to see me put one together. This is the wooden one, and you see it says right on the box there. I have my little friend down here, Athena. She's watching very, you can even see her over all my junk. There she is. Very curious. See if I'm going to pull out any treats. Not going to pull out any treats today, Athena. She is spoiled though, and a lot of times she would get one. So these are 7 stand razor holders. Let's put together this wooden one real quick. You want to see me put this together? And while I put it together, I will kick off that giveaway. And let's talk about Dark Knight a little bit. So Dark Knight is back. It's been back for a while, like a year or so. That's a collaboration between the wet shaving store, Andy Amaya, and Hags. Have a Great Shave. That's Hags. It is inspired by a Parfum de Marly's Percival. I did a full review of it. I'll put a link in the description to that review if you want to check it out. It's an absolute banger. If you like Parfum de Marly, like I do, PDM is one of my favorite niche fragrance houses. And if you like Percival, and if you never smelled Percival, but you love the other PDMs in your collection, you're probably, very safe to say, going to love Dark Knight. So you got these two little rods here, a male and a female. I've never done this before, never seen anyone put it together either. We're winging it, but I assume you have two. Yep. So you have two male pieces and the one female. So this one's going to be the top. So you have the nice shiny top piece, and then you have this flathead standard screwdriver head that will be the bottom piece. I didn't catch it, but my milk crate did. So let's unscrew both of those. So use my code Tobin. You get 10% off of virtually everything on his website. There are a couple of exclusions that apply for the most part that I can think of. All that it really pertains to. Hey, Trouble. She's over there sniffing stuff. Athena is. For the most part, all I have ever seen that it really applies to is razor blades, and that may have changed. They might be now doing it. So you see here, got the base. Your handles are actually going to sit. I'll set that there. Actually, I've never done this before. Can you tell? It's not rocket science, Tobin. It is when I do it. So I won't tighten them down. I'm just going to hand tighten them. We'll see how it feels once I get it hand tightened. Whether or not I want to actually use a screwdriver for it. So let's kick off this giveaway. I learned the hard way. I'm going to have to redo my Tier 1 razor review, or my Tier 1 Echelon giveaway. I kicked off that giveaway and I made a mistake. Do not do this with this giveaway or any other giveaways going forward. I learned this lesson the hard way. Nowadays, with all the advances of AI, with YouTube, if you include a hashtag and a bunch of people use that same hashtag, YouTube's AI identifies it as spam and everything just automatically gets hidden. So with that Tier 1 razor, I had folks do hashtag Ranger. Well, I was wondering why I couldn't find anybody's entries and why here I was giving away 2 razors and no one was entering. Got to talking with my friends in the Discord. I believe it was Ray and Denny. They showed me screenshots of their entries, but they were gone. So let's not do that with this one. So this is super cool. This is a beautiful wood grain pattern. I'll put some pictures on there. And you know what? I don't think I am going to put a flathead to this. It feels very snug just by doing it by hand. You went out, sweetheart? I love you. Thanks for visiting. Come again. I won't close it all the way that she can push it open. But so what was I saying? Pearl. If you want to enter the, we're going to do this CONUS only, continental United States. So if you want to, and you get to choose the color, black, white, or wood. So signify which color is your choice. Black, white, or wood. Pearl razor stand. And if you want to enter for the Gillette Guard, just Gillette Guard, and then thanks Andy. Don't do any hashtags. You do a hashtag and it gets hidden. You're now responsible for that because I am not asking you to do a damn hashtag. I want to thank Andy for sending this to me. I will get the white one put together and put some photos right there. I may end up giving one of these away. I really don't need to, I don't think. I might. We're going to see how it turns out. But I may end up giving one of these way down the road. Maybe down the road a little bit. Maybe right down the road a whole lot of bit. But Andy, I can't thank you enough. That discount code Tobin gets you 10% off of everything and anything. I don't earn a dime from that. You just end up supporting a very good friend of mine and a damn good small American business. A family-owned and operated business. Good stuff, Maynard. Look for a shave from the den, probably this weekend. We'll put this to the test. I'm actually going to ask Emily to use some of them to get a lady's take on them. She normally uses the original leaf. So little big things, my friends. Thank you again, Andy. Thank you. Remember, no hashtags. Pearl, razor stand, and which color. And then a separate giveaway for the Gillette guard. So feel free to enter both. I'll use Google's random number generator to do those. So after you enter, I'll eventually put a number on your comment. Got that live kicking off with Nelson Gutierrez Malero here in a few minutes, about half an hour or so. I can ramble all damn day, but I'm going to stop right now because I got some rambling to do on that live here on YouTube in a few minutes, which will probably be, yeah, shut up, Tobin. See you in the next one.